Hey everyone, so I just wanted to come and do a nursery tour. I wanted to do this because I know when I was pregnant, I was looking for some ideas on how I wanted to organize baby girl's room, and I did find a lot of YouTube videos that were really helpful. So it's been about a month since we had baby girl, and I really feel like I have a good flow of things, so I just wanted to come on here and show you all what we did and how we have it organized. So just to start, we got our crib set from Delta Furniture, and it came with the crib, this dresser right here, and it also came with the glider. Now we wanted to do this because we were really struggling to find some furniture. Also because of COVID, we really couldn't go out and shop like that, so we saw some ads for Delta Furniture and we thought it would be a really good option. That way we knew everything would get delivered and that would all come quickly. So we're really glad that we decided to go with Delta Furniture. We've been happy with how everything came. So but to get more into things, so we got our crib bedding from Target, and as you can see, we tried to do the same theme throughout the room. But this is the Cloud 9 floral bedding set. I believe there's two different themes or two different colors that you can get, but we went along with this theme. And the bedding set came with the mattress sheet. It also came with the crib skirt. It came with this blanket right here, and also that blanket right there. I think this is more like a quilt. But yeah, so it came with those items. We also purchased this mobile to go with the theme, and these wall stickers here. It's all from Target. So we really liked it, and we were happy because we couldn't decide on the theme, but we found this at Target and we thought it was just super cute for baby girl. Now this name plate right here is from 48 Hour Monogram. It did take a while to get it, but it was all worth the wait. I had a friend actually have this bow. Well, it's a bow hanger was what we were using it for, but she had this made. So we thought it was really cute, and we put the flowers around it. This right here, this changing table cover also came from Target. It goes along with the Cloud 9 Nursery theme. Got this changing table from Amazon, so it didn't come with the Delta Furniture. It's not attached, but so we did get this from Amazon. And then this right here is like a little diaper caddy. We got it from Target, and I was excited about it because I didn't think we had enough space for everything because we only got one dresser, but this was really helpful. Just to explain, on here we have the Q-tips. We also have baby girl's rattlers. This is where I keep the wipes and the diapers. Also got some little baby booties right here. I don't know what to do with those yet, but and then right here I have all baby girl bibs, and I have washcloths and towels. And then so when I registered with Target for the baby registry, they gave me like a sample goodie bag, and I put all of the samples down here. So I'm still using them, but just to get them out the way, I just put them down here. And then right here is where I'm storing these little washer bags. Got these from Amazon. Thought it was super neat because basically you put all the baby's clothes in there and you wash it in this bag, and this is how you keep up with everything. So like little small socks, mittens, hats, even outfits where there's two pieces, you can just throw it in here and wash it and dry it, and it's fine, no problem. So got these in different sizes, so really cute. And then over here, just to explain how I have this dresser organized. Pull it out. So I pretty much did it based on age. These are all baby girls onesies in here. So how I have it sorted was, so I had some preemie outfits in here, but I took those all downstairs and put them in our bedroom because when baby girl was born, that's the only size that she could wear. But pretty much how I have it is I got the onesies sorted by newborn. So these are all newborn. These three right here are newborn. Then right here starts your 0 to 3 months. Right here I have some outfits, 2 pieces that I just wanted to keep together. These are pretty much all newborn size, but I have them right here. And I have hats right here. I have baby girl socks, some mittens stuffed in this pocket, some more hats stuffed in this pocket, and then I have the pacifier clips right here on the side. I got these dividers from Amazon. They're super helpful in organizing the drawers. So the second drawer, as I mentioned, I have everything sorted by age. So continue with the 0 to 3. So I have 0 to 3 months. These are both 0 to 3. Then right here I have 3 to 6 months. And then back here in this back corner I have 6 to 9. So that's how I have that organized. I have baby girl's leggings down here as well. And same way I have newborn and 0 to 3 months, and right here in this little section I have 3 to 6 months right here, and then 6 to 9 back here. Down here in this last dresser I have some more burping cloths. I have a lot of burping cloths, so I just threw them all down here. Then right here I have swaddles, and I organized it by the type of swaddle. So these types of swaddles, this material here, I have it all stacked up right here. And then I have different little swaddles stacked up right here. So baby girl got a lot of books from her grandmother and from family and friends, and I wanted to have a bookshelf to put all of those on. So here's the bookshelf. We got this from Amazon, and so I have the books stacked up right here. Also got some gifts from family and friends on here, and I got these little shoes out because I thought they were super cute. But yeah, so that's pretty much how I have that organized. And I have some baskets. I don't know what I'll put in there yet, but I did just want to have some baskets. I got this one from Target to go with the nursery theme, but I got that one down there from a friend. So and over here in the closet I have everything pretty much organized in here as well. So right here I have the diapers and wipes all stacked up. Up here I have some picture frames that I have to do, got them from family and friends. Also I got some bath sets right here that we got from the baby registry, stacked up. Stuffed animals up here, and baby carriers, and some other stuff. And then right here I have all my nursing stuff, and so I got all that together right here, like nursing pads, some breast milk storage bags. I also have a pump that my mom gave me, but I don't use it because I got another pump that I use. But and I have baby girl's clothes hung up in order. So I have newborn, 0 to 3, 3 to 6, 6 to 9, and then also I wanted to hang up all the onesies. So same way with the onesies, I got newborn, 0 to 3, 3 to 6, 6 to 9. I even got some toddler. So got that stacked up. Down here I just pretty much have like older items for when she gets older, like tummy time mat, a little walker, some other stuff. Got a baby bath down here. Right here I have baby girl's shoes, also some tutus, and all these are clothes that I got hand-me-downs that are for when she gets older. So I just got them all stacked up right here. And then on this I have all of baby girl's blankets, and then down here I have some more like blanket swaddles and some like thicker towels. But yeah, that's pretty much how the closet organized. Thank you for joining us on this tour, and I really hope that this inspired you and gave you some ideas. If you have any questions on any of the products that we got or where we got them from, please leave a comment below and I'll be happy to let you know. Thank you for watching.